Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to convert a Facebook profile to a business or professional page on the Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon on the top right, and then you want to go down and select Pages. If you don't see the Pages button, you may have to select See More, and then you want to select Pages. You want to select where it says the Create button up at the top, and then select where it says Or Upgrade Your Existing Profile. Go ahead and select that by selecting Get Started, and then you would turn on Professional Mode. So you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts on that to turn it on, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.